All right, so I'll make it straight to it. Let me make sure my microphone is on. That bitch on. All right, so I'm gonna get straight to it. That 15K I made since the last time y'all see me on YouTube, that shit is gone. Well, was gone. And the reason is, I don't know if y'all know, but like, I don't know if I told y'all, but traders, new traders, traders in general. I'm gonna speak for myself, but when I got interviewed by Madison, she said the same thing, so I'm guessing it's for all traders. From May to the end of July, the markets moved so freaking wacky, bro. So wacky, like, I don't even know how I lost that 15K. I know I took all good setups and obviously they went the wrong way or the opposite way, and I ended up getting cooked. So I took that L and I really wasn't mad. I was just like, I mean, it's May. Like, I remember last summer, I was taking good setups and I lost my first ever live account. Yeah, I lost that bitch as soon as I got it. At the end of May, got live, waited for my license, got the live account. And in June, I think last summer, it didn't do nothing but consolidate until I blew my account. And then that's when it shot going into August. And yeah, the rest was history. From August all the way to December, I was killing the markets, like executing. But anyways, long story short, I just want to keep it short and simple today. I wouldn't say luckily, but like, it's very rare for in May, June, July, the markets move how they're supposed to. So I mean, I don't want to call it luck. This is how I always trade, but it is May, end of May going into June. I made 3.1K. I'm gonna put it on the screen right now, and I'm gonna just show y'all what I did to make that. And without further ado, you know how we get Griffin from the start to screen record. It just started and we can go straight into it. So this right here, USD CHF, is straightforward, just pure market structure. Let's go to the weekly. So what I seen here, cause like at first, I think I blew that 15 around the beginning of April. No, the beginning of this, like the end of April, the beginning of like the end of April, beginning of this month. And like, usually when I take them hiatuses from trading, I don't even look at the charts, but you know what I'm saying? Once you do something every day, you make bread from it, you become one. It's like a unison, bro. So I looked on the daily and I was like, damn, USD CHF look like it's finna shoot through my resistance. You guys know how I trade: weekly time frame, daily time frame, support, resistance, microstructure. Y'all know how I trade, so I just seen it like consolidating on the I seen it consolidating on the resistance, and then it gave me this right here. This weekly candle right here made me look at it. I'm not gonna lie to you. And I kind of took a risk. I was like, man, this setup look good. If I lose, I'm not even gonna be mad. We know it's May, and then when I come back in August, I might have some work to do. But you know what I'm saying? I took a risk. And what made me do it is I was like, man, bro, this stuff looked too good, bro. Like, it looked good. But at the same time, if you look to the left, look, it was consolidation. It did a bullish engulfing on the daily, and then it just reversed all the way down for sales. So, you know what I'm saying? I really took a risk, but I take smart risk. It's the difference. So once I seen this tweezer bottom right here, and then I seen it break structure, like the pullback, the lower high right here, I was like, man, this is a double bottom and it's a tweezer bottom. Hey, I'm not telling y'all to trade like this. Take calculated risks. That's all I gotta say. So I had my confluences. I was like, man, if I lose, it's a smart loss, bro. It's a smart loss. So I got in, and then I think I was in it for a day. And then you obviously see on the daily, bro, we got a bullish engulfing on the daily right here. And I don't know, I wanted to stay in it and just like, cause my take profit up here was like 20K or 19K, or no, it was 20K at first, but I guess the pip count changed over time and it turned to 17K. It's still bread, but I just seen what it did on the left. Like, when you trade, always look to the left. So I looked to the left and I'm like, man, it made the same bullish engulfing on the daily, and then it just reversed. So what am I gonna do? I'm taking my money and getting the fuck out. I'm leaving because, like, bro, it's May, and you know what I'm saying, I could be up 3K. Well, it's like I'm at 3.4K because I got 17K more to make till I hit 20K. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna take my bread and I'm gonna just have a head start when I come back at the end of July, starting in August. So I mean, it's just a simple setup, and then you obviously you got the moving averages too, like it's above the 50. It was a tweet to top on the 50. And then let's look at the 4 hour. I don't think I really looked at the 4 hour, to be honest with you. I really don't like looking at it. Yeah, it looked ass on the 4 hour. Like, bro, you're not, bro, if you looked at this on the 4 hour, you're not gonna want to touch this, huh? It's consolidation. I mean, you may scalp it, but I'm not a scalper. But yeah, I mainly looked at it on the daily and the weekly. If you guys want to get in this trade, scale in, get in. But it should, like, on a regular, I would have held this trade. It should just buy all the way up until at least it hit the 27. But it's the summertime, and I don't know why the markets move so wacky in the summertime, but I'm just gonna take my bread and get out. So to all my supporters that have been subscribing and stuff, I know I've been going for 3 weeks, but I'm just letting you guys know, like, most likely, because I wasn't even supposed to take this trade according to my rules. I don't touch it from May to July, but it just looked so good I had to just at least try it. But you guys probably won't see me until August, end of July, August. So just stay tuned, and y'all be careful, bro. It's summertime. If I was y'all, go, like, whatever bread y'all making from your job or from trading, don't blow it, but go enjoy yourself, bro. Go spend time with your people. Go do stuff in the summertime. That's what summer is for. Me, I sweat these markets 24/7 throughout the whole year besides the summertime. So I'm kind of using this as my, like, break from it, to be honest with you. Like, it's always gonna be in my heart, but you know, I may go learn how to make some more money, thousands, you know what I'm saying, legally. So you know what I'm saying, y'all be careful, bro. It's May through July, bro. These markets move walk. If you think I'm lying, look at this daily time frame. It moves walk, bro. But I love y'all, man. Hey, that journey we was going through of hitting subscribers and hitting like counts, man, I'ma miss it. But August, I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. From August to December, at the least we making 50K. I want to do 100K. I know we can do that shit. And I ain't talking about subscribers. I'm talking about bread. We can do subscribers too, my baby. But you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we talking about bread. So I'm taking this hiatus from YouTube. I mean, I might post some basketball highlights. Y'all see my Kobe pinks I just got. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, you know, I'm finna go crazy in those. But bro, enjoy your summertime, bro. Trading is always gonna be here. If you're a scalper, if you still wanna touch them charts, have fun. But you know what I'm saying, I'm taking my bread and I'm leaving. So without further ado, hit that like button. I'm active on Instagram, and yeah, I'm still gonna be active on Instagram. It's just the YouTube trading stuff. I'm taking a break until August. So y'all know I don't like making long videos. I just felt like it was right for me to tell y'all where I've been instead of just, you know what I'm saying, waiting until pop up until August, because that's what I was gonna do. But I owe it to y'all, boys. So without further ado, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. If this hits the 27 or the 61, I think that's what the second take profit is. It is what it is. I'm gonna take my bread and leave, as we always do. I love y'all, boys, man. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.